So if you stand up and place one yoga tune-up ball back underneath your foot, we're going to get 2 lines at one time. And maybe, Tom, you can get a little closer to Lisa and hold on to her hand so that she's stable here. I'm going to use the table. The sole of my other foot, the skins of your feet have an incredible amount of grip. And so we're going to use the foot as the massage tool here. And you want to move the fascia on the top of the foot that's on the ball. So I call this mobilizing the dorsifascia, the dorsal fascia. And the idea here is to try to feel for the soft tissue transitional stretch across the top of all of your toes and around the ankle joint, so around the retinaculum. So whatever you can do to use different parts of the opposite foot to snuggle in and try to achieve a sense of soft tissue stretch in there is exactly what we're looking for. And you can move slowly, or I've also found that doing some, like putting out an ember, so doing a little bit of pin and spin or shearing has been really helpful for just feeling like I've got options of all these tissues sliding. Just think about go ahead and switch sides. Think about if you're wearing tight shoes all the time, and especially shoes that lace tight on top, like what is the condition of the soft tissues that are buried underneath that foot bra, right? So this is a chance to let them breathe again.